Hey, we're at it. Guess where we are? New Kingston. The epic New Kingston. The Mecca of Jamaica Business Center. Well, so them say. So we're here to see Kadim. What's popping? Look like you know about the package.
Of course I do.
So come feed now, man. I don't understand. All of a sudden, shy, you get shy. Well, you always seem shy. You always seem shy. But when you talk on the phone, you sound like, you know, forward and whatever.
Different in person.
Different in person?
Yes.
Okay, okay. What kind of work you do?
It's a call center. So call center.
Okay, that's why you sound different on the phone. Okay, you see, on the phone you sound like a real boss. You know exactly, very confident on the phone. I like that. Which account you work on?
Well, I work for a financial institution. Yeah.
You not chop the line?
No, not
No chopping. No chopping of no line.
Not at all.
Not today, yeah?
No.
Not today, yeah? Not today. Anyway, I got a package for you. And I just want to tell you, thank you for doing business with us, yeah?
It's a pleasure.
It's a pleasure.
Yes.
And we're looking forward to you inviting people to come on board and, you know, do business with us.
Most definitely.
She's from England, mate. My mate.
Yeah.
So, by the way, I noticed that you're from St. Thomas.
Yes.
So why you never had me send the package all the way? What's good?
Well, I'm not sure how that works. Well, I'm kind of skeptic.
Yeah.
It going thus far, and because we normally they work through
Right.
window.
Okay.
So only can depends.
But one of the means we use to send packages to St. Thomas is via zip mail. You know, zip mail. So you come to the post office and you collect it at the post office. That's one of the features that we use. We also now have a Northwood Express in Harborview. So maybe, you know, that can be convenient.
So the pickup would be in Harborview?
Yeah, but we're also looking at now expanding the delivery service out to St. Thomas. Because we're getting a lot of customers who say, are we happy? So it looks like you're doing some work. It looks so. All right, so anytime we're ready for set up the business, you know, spread out the business fully out of St. Thomas, we're doing door-to-door deliveries, I'm going to link you.
Yes.
You handle the customer care for me?
Yes.
Y'all here, she come in, she's going to do customer care for us. So, pretty voice here on the phone going to be hers. Have a good day. We're going to keep you from work.
Thank you.
Big up yourself and don't chop your life.
No